John, I know that in life there are moments when you have to say no and decline to someone's idea, someone's invitation, or someone asking for help, but I find it awkward to do it. Is there a graceful way to say no? Two quick tips. Number one, most people often underestimate the power of confronting and the power of explaining. Alternatively, we ghost on people or we apply the silent treatment, but sometimes the best solution is to explain why. Anna, I'm sorry I can't do this because I'm also running out of time. Miguel, if I do X, Y, and Z, it's gonna endanger my job. I'm sorry, I will need to pass. And when you take the time to explain it to the person, they'll be able to appreciate it and they will be able to take it professionally. Tip number two, offer an alternative help. So if you can't give X, offer Y if you can do so. I'm the type of person who doesn't want to leave others empty-handed. So I'd say something like, Anna, I wish I can buy your product. It's amazing, but I don't have budget right now. But can I refer you to some friends who I think will be interested with your services? Or say something like, Joel, I don't have X right now, but the closest thing that I can offer instead is Y. Will that suit you? So offering alternative help is an excellent choice of making your friends and loved ones feel that you're not totally saying no. Saying no indeed is a hard task for many of us at work or in personal life, but remember, being able to choose the right set of words can help you execute it. Good luck.